Canada's Northern Territories. The Northern Territories are in the north of Canada. The three territories are Yukon, the Northwest Territories, and Nunavut. This area is very big, but only about 100,000 people live there. There are many natural resources in the north. People take gold, diamonds, copper, and oil and gas from the ground. Some people still hunt, fish, and trap animals to live. In summer, it is light all day and night. In winter, it is dark for a long time. The weather is very cold in the north. Winters are long and summers are short and cool. Much of the north has tundra. The tundra is flat, cold land with no trees. The ground is frozen. The Inuit live in the north. Many Inuit make and sell art. Yukon. A long time ago, people came to Yukon to look for gold. This was called the Gold Rush. Mining is still important in Yukon. Mount Logan, the highest mountain in Canada, is in Yukon. Yukon is very cold. It had the coldest temperature ever recorded in Canada. Minus 63 degrees Celsius. Northwest Territories. The capital of the Northwest Territories is Yellowknife. About 20,000 people live there. Yellowknife is called the Diamond Capital of North America. More than half the people are Aboriginal, Dene, Inuit, or Métis. The Mackenzie River is in this territory. It is the second longest river in North America. Nunavut. Nunavut means our land in the Inuktitut language. Nunavut became a new territory in 1999. Nunavut's capital is Iqaluit. About 85% of the people in Nunavut are Inuit. Inuktitut is spoken in schools.